Make some noise, make some noise, make some noise. The witches and wizards here, make some noise. So soon I know soon I be win, sir. This song that my neighbor play for this lockdown now. In the whole house rent too. When money no day, people they carry me play. Landlord need answer and go knock door. Oh yeah, money don't they pay now. No, now so Nigerian songs. Make I sit down, make nobody like say the microphone don't pass me. Who will use this mic this time? I don't suffer for churches, so we get one while we see the mic stand. I climb ladder before I collect mic. And Corona don't turn all of us to upcoming artists now, whether you like them or not. I don't remember the last time I cracked joke. Oh God, coronavirus now everybody now upcoming. The Corona favors some people. Though I don't go lie for you. You get people in favor. You get people too in no favor. On my side, you favor people. One guest, you favor them. You know all these fine guests, they make younger. Those fine guests like Genevieve, Botala. I can't get another girl who one. All of us they wear something cover our face. So if man be one razzle, you will fine. Another girl they wear we are all covering our face. So the man now nothing they work for everybody. The one will make me surprised this thing. I'll go airport to carry one of my friends. The guy who wear a face mask, who cover everywhere. Me I wear my own. I wait for him for airports for like 3 hours. I can't call him and say, what's happened now? Why you not carry me now? I said at the airport now since 12. What be time past 3? He said, I don't open a valley now. Because the face mask they cover everybody. That one when they call face shield, where we get the wear. The people can't wear that one for River State, they can't fix it, they don't make it. Hey! Get one girl when I come my church one day now. Ushers want change it for them. I say, no, I can't move. Look at what I'm wearing. You can't like say, those of us they wear the people where you know say nothing, they know say now once when they wear Ankara. They will just buy Ankara of 17 naira. You go buy face sheet 2,000 naira. They want to call the phone so now be the same level. I cannot try that nonsense. How will I buy something for 2,000? You buy something for 17 naira, they will cost stop. And when you for our church is here, if I attend us on the rock, you know our church, everybody will package. If you see the people they carry the enter church, everybody they package. But I noticed something too according to the people who wear that particular thing, no matter how you do, when pastor shouts, and then they respond fast. Because they you know complete understand what Corona do for people. This Corona make everybody humble, everybody the same level. Everybody. I pass my 3 to conduct us the fight. 30 minutes, nobody don't touch each other. The man, don't fire you. Don't you see when boys they fight, they call they do like woman. You know what they shout, touch me now. Touch it. But we went there far, they say, no touch ammo, no touch ammo. Even police say they go separate fight. No, the Corona changed a lot of things. When you are coming from my tree, you are going to room Okoro, you go, you are the way they carry load bus, happy? Okoro. As that is started, they notice that nobody they enter their bus. Because anything when they close to Okoro, with their father, Okoro, everywhere they trek, nobody they answer, then they trek from my tree go to Okoro. When they don't notice, say nobody they enter their bus, and then come they advise themselves. When they come they add, Okoro, hey, you for tell us things now. Because everybody was careful. Everybody, Corona changed. Oh, Corona changed. The one why I envy pass for Corona now. All the people be say they need to allow us the rest. To get one of my friends. Every day he go post something for Facebook. He go say food for thought. I think they write for the up. Food for thought. He go write one quote. I don't know where they carry the quote from. Some girls go, girls wey food this our town. They come to go under. You are so intelligent. Wow. Oh, you must be a first class guy. Now lie in the compare. Now my brother hungry catch this boy this Corona time and no food for your house. I mean, because you need some food for thought. Since we dey post into my brother, find food first to chop. You never see food tough chop. You won't come do food for thought. So it changed everywhere. Everywhere. We can't do our own too. In the midst of the Corona, NDDC can't come with their own. The two people were cash out for this Corona time, honestly speaking. Observe them. NDDC, NCDC, Abi. Then send me text, send me that their text. I can't reply them, say, I made them no send me text. I don't want to spend 1 billion for my head. Because for Nigeria, you know they hear those kind of big things. NDDC, NCD, then they the same. Then when they interview one man, they say, please, what do you have to say about the coronavirus? The man come begin the ginger. Say, the coronavirus, I don't believe it's a fraud. They say, why is it a fraud? It is a fraud. It is fake. There is nothing you will tell me. How can something said, no, it's not NDDC. It is NDDC. Why would they do it? He said, they have been sending me tests. And one said, no, it's NCDC. The man said, no, what's the difference? It's the same thing. NDDC, NCDC, they are all thieves. And if you watch the difference there for the name. And the man said, you know, C and D. What's the difference between C and D? I think they say it's fake, no corona. Somebody where they pass them back, constantly shock. My friend, you won't give me corona. So we are all careful. Everybody. And the poor again will benefit for this corona time now. Fat people. No need to go gym to come they wrong because you just day. Everybody just day. The suffer can't they make everybody come they look slim fit, can't they fight. See DJ Blaze now. Only I'm before in a crowd. You see DJ Blaze in big like wardrobe. One day wife mistakenly said I wardrobe. His wife carry her open the bottle, one put cloth. But this corona now everywhere, see advisor, I see advisor sit down for this thing before. Before corona, advisor need to sit down for this thing. This thing advisor lap once. Everybody, even see Sambas now. You know how Sambas did before. Sambas they say if Sambas they sweat before they like olive oil. We they see Sambas here now. In the sweat, they like coffee. I go there Sambas in the sweat and the passive Nescafe. Now corona. Everybody don't because see short people can't sleep, but fat people get advantage. No matter how you do, make it up like how they talk now. So when I come, they feel bad. Now you know, say for this river state, they get one kidnap in the ring. They no kidnap any fat man. Are you mad? Kidnap fat person. The only kidnapper will try to kidnap fat man, then catch him. You go, can you want to go kidnap one Calabar woman? I seen Jack the woman, he hook. Now what time if you kidnap, you go carry us, you just like you want kidnap me, how you want to be now? Anybody try to kidnap you, you don't even need motor, you go just carry me put for your back pocket. So fat people get advantage. To even the same thing with us that are short. For me as a short person, and I'm proudly short. If you are there, you are short, can I hear you make some noise if you are short? Hey, madam, you're on your own, no. No, we short people will get advantage. You know, say this my height don't save me now. I dey grow up for job, I don't do for job, then shoot gun. Good, the bullet past my head, go kill top person for back. He no kill me, I shot. So he me say to say at all. Let me say, now me for die, no be so. So we short people too will get our advantage. We need to look anybody, we need to fear anybody. See, short people for this war, we know say that them wicked pass. Especially short man away from Akwa Ibom Ogoni. He short man from Akwa Ibom John Winch. You get one short man we died at Akwa Ibom 2 months ago now. I seen get air fire. I said that they call him. They say, oh boy, you bad. What do I say time? Now sometimes they tell somebody say you dey kiki. So we short people, I like my short. You don't favor me too. One day our robbers enter my house now. Mumu people, I need to answer them. Everybody don't travel. Not only me lie down for parlor. The idiot people as they enter house, my door, bam! My wife no dey, nobody they come to see me for ground. Yeah, where's your father? Where's your father? Now maybe the husband no. You wear a short small for ground, they know say na maybe father. Where's your father? Where's your father? They enter bedroom. Enter this bedroom, come on. Where's your father? I said they know they leave you travel. Yes. Hi. Your papa then just leave you travel. Small boy like you. Arabas dash me 3K, man use chop. You dey shout like say you know they possible. You know say winch where they dupe. I don't see winch come dupe like this, can't see one woman. As they land for the woman roof, come they observe the woman, come they check. If you see the way this woman slim, man, corona deal with people. Don't machete, finish the job, go inside. Woman way fresh before. Where winch the target say at once in get chance, because so me leave and make some time go. And then just come on lockdown, winch come to suck this man. You man machete. The winch didn't even talk anything. The next day the winch go. Early morning, winch can't stand for the woman in front of their house. Just carry 2.5. As the woman they come out, the winch come call, madam come. Now you be Agnes? He say yes. Now you they live close to the toilet for them? Yes. Hi, now you slim like this? He say no, so no food. Hi, no food true because yesterday I come to suck you. I don't like what I see. Take this 2.5, buy vegetable, buy milk, buy more. They drink them, they drink them. 2 weeks time they can't suck you. So even when she herself, they fear for our flight. Everybody they fear. But you see, one thing I've discovered again in this country, say our biggest problem no be our politicians now, we the citizens. Because we hear the kind of money they thief for this country. Ah God. Hey, in the midst of all this corona, NDC said they use that much for palliative. 1.3 billion naira for themselves. That now them be the Niger Delta project. Now them be the Niger Delta project. So as in this so now the MD na road, Akpabio na bridge. God. We don't suffer. See the amount of money where they chop as then you go to look yourself, ask yourself some questions. Say, now we be this. You see the day when they do that NDDC probe where that Ponde guy in Ponde because Oxford Dictionary say they want change the word fence to Ponde. So when school start now, teacher will just say synonym of fence, you go say Ponde. If you answer it like that, they don't tell one boy now to spell. They tell one boy when they mean spell police for school. The boy they say mean spell corruption. The boy spell police. And they clap for him is correct. Because not the same thing. Whether corruption, whether not police, I don't want to talk their matter, man. No, so the day when they do that NDDC probe, I don't know what to do Angel Gabriel for heaven. No. They just they talk, they call him what they chop, they call him what they talk, they call him what I don't know how Angel Gabriel come manage the change channel. Come go put them for that channel where they prove them, my brother. Then come on, Jesus don't know when he did for heaven, shout Jesus. Because the kind of money they take for this country not be small. You just have probably they say off the mic, off the this, off. The day they go probe NDDC, they never off mic. You're off the generator. Because you off mic alone, you know go do well. And you know they blame them. See, the way our politicians there, I don't know. Carry them for my, I don't even want to talk about them because some of them they intelligent. I raise the wear glass now. Before we are sharing the wear glass, as I raise they come. You get the respect why they people wear glass. And they treat them special. Those who they primary school they say anybody wear eyeglass they very intelligent. So when I just see you don't put eyeglass in the air. But since the day I notice the man when they rule this country they wear eyeglass. I just lose hope saying alive. Eyeglass don't be intelligent. A person where I know good. Or a person where won't make younger, so I don't even get their time. People they complain before say we can need the work. We can just sit down and say yes, I need to work. We have to start working. You know, in the interview do echo, we have to start working. And then we'll do it in such a way that they will know. Somebody can say even say you're not Mr. Project. Okay, I will show them project. But we can want to do road. They do every road, everywhere fly over and they block everywhere. You drive go here, you block. You drive go here. If you're reversing the work for Port Harcourt, your motor nowhere, you know survive. You go drive go here, you go come back. You're going to get one day. I drive, come back. I can't turn back. I reach where I start. Everywhere lock. You go just complain just to see say make you know say work day. Whether you like them or not, work day. You go Abia State. That one might be the worst. The worst. That one day they say you get the day they pour refuge. So for the dustbin, Nescaf make provision. You get somebody come pour the thing. You don't enjoy provision for this lockdown. You go on upon the pass, you come down. But stop this photo because come on, come here. After they will say they are not enjoying Abia State, is it not Nescaf? This look at all this. What is this? You can't carry stick, can't carry your cocoa. Is this not people in my state that are enjoying this thing? I see one time, you can see one wine bottle, you can go carry the wine bottle. Can you see what they are enjoying in this state? After they will say, I'm not trying. They are so they will not blame them. Our problem is either politicians, police did their own. Sadly, a few days ago, we asked one policeman to rape one girl because of face mask. He not even they ask himself, say, what if this girl get? He no care. Nigerians, nothing good. Where I fear Nigerians now, when HIV, people they announce, say, no, there's HIV now, you're going to stay, so nobody's going to have sex now. Pastors come, they happy. We've been telling you people to avoid fornication. You don't want to avoid fornication. Now there's HIV. Have you seen it? Nigeria, president even answered them. As the pastor, the priest said, they call the ginger. The pastor can't even put fear for their body. All those things they say it's condom, they are fake. They cannot protect HIV because HIV has a chromosome that is tiny that the particles can pass all times as it is big. One boy is that for pastor, he be scientist. So they didn't even get your time. Anyhow you do them, as Corona they said, if let's say the whole humanizers where they stand, they did the same WhatsApp group. Though they will just drop message for the WhatsApp group. How are we going to do this thing now? So they're going to advise themselves because humanizers they must survive. They're going to advise themselves. You get one of them on the sheet. I say two humanizers because you can still do it too. You just have to make sure you wear your hand sanitizer, you wear your hand glove, you wear hand sanitizer, you wear a hand glove, and then you will not face each other. You understand yourself. Anyhow you do, Nigeria, even if you say you get something where we say they put for woman, it go dey explode. At once you just one near woman, God go explode you. Nigerian men go see fine plank. When they go first enter the girl, remove your cloth, they go throw the plank. As the plank explode, it's okay, yes. Let's do before another bomb will come. Because Nigerians, and we don't say for this country, now humanizers, they're very intelligent person, they know they give up. I don't get one guy, if they ask one girl, if they talk, the girl they send them, if they talk, the girl they give her attention, the girl can feed a small fine dog. The girl they give them, they say, oh, leave me now. I can't. In fact, you're distracting me. You can see I'm playing with Jimmy. They give the guy don't wait the girl like 30 minutes. Before the girl go turn face, the guy don't know when the guy, and the then go say, please, so you give me attention, take me like a second dog. So you imagine a policeman in the midst of coronavirus. And we hear the man say, no, force the girl. Say from the look of things, when they even reach the place, the girl enter inside, go back, come meet her. Now come the answer, say, when the girl enter inside, go back, you know, come meet you. How many beds in the hotel room? If you don't want to excuse. Now, police get their own problem. You know they blame them. Because how can you manage a man when his salary big pass? In gum big pass in salary. How can you manage that kind of person? In those days where policemen they go Olympic for this country, we they win and well. Because they sabi run. Nobody say they sabi run. I don't see one policeman keeping gun, they like say in the sleep. You got on the halafra. Why will you keep your gun? You don't drop your gun like that. I call the video, this man, halafra. Why you go keeping gun? I just say one time by 30. You know, say something happen, you go run leave you. They no send. They just they do. Nah, the heat with the pick your corona. Now they don't say Nigerians will complain the weather hot. When we come here, rumors say corona need to survive where heat, the rain come the fall, who come the vest. No. The weather cannot be cold. Now we can't invite heat that time. You just see somebody go just walk on that sun. Like that. You say, enter mountain, no, because not too they believe. They can't even lie for us that time say bitter cola the cure coronavirus, my brother. These boys when they say bitter cola for hold up. When we say before now, then they run come meet you where you go buy bitter cola. They come they form like celebrity. They go just stay for fast, bring it, they will say, come down and take. When power enter Nigeria man and see the deal, they come they form for us like say, now they don't hear me say a lie, say bitter cola no go fit cure anything now. But they don't run the push. I suffer one, he run from Waterline go to Jerry Junction before I buy. Because in the form, when they just hear say salt, that time Ebola day, when they say salt they cure Ebola. My brother, people bath salt too. People bath salt. One man wake up for more than around 5. He just wake up. And, okay, 4 a.m. Just check him phone, just see the rumor. He go rush, say make him go enter kitchen. Go rush the small salt with him bath. I see him enter kitchen, bam! He search, you see so search. Go in no see wife for bedroom. He come go parlor, come see wife come sit down. Wife come the looking wife, say, honey. Wife say, what happen? Don't we have salt? The wife come laugh. You bring man a bit. I don't bath am. I lick the rest. Because Corona even help us too. They don't take our light for like 3 weeks. We don't know how they say the NEPA man will go change the light. Whether as he reach station, he call the cough, they sneeze, they do all those kind of things there. So then feel him get COVID, they can't carry and go. My brother, any NEPA man they send, you guys are just change light. They say no, those people they need to enjoy life. Make they enjoy life now. We use light for like 3 straight weeks. Now when they don't hear say the man test negative, see the way they carry off our light. They don't just off and they cut the cable go. So I want to say now the way this time they run. I never even talk anything. 25 minutes. At least they tell me, say no me, say when I just start 25 minutes, they'll be like say now 5 minutes. If now like this time they run go don't old. How can you tell me say no 25 minutes don't reach now? Sambas now your own time, now you they reduce them. Well, I'll meet up. Let me just do 1 or 2 before I go. You know, say Corona had them where we say some things so we they like talk before when they change them. Always say I like positive vibes around me. I like positive vibes. When you know, if they tell them they say I don't want anybody to be positive around them that time because you don't want to see anybody don't test positive. Others say because your destiny is in your hand, my brother. This coronavirus, our destiny come up for hand. We wash hand tire. We wash our entire until our destiny come up for our hand. Pastors say they even ginger say, don't take alcohol, avoid alcohol. You know that the past once church, the whole church they smell alcohol. That's as one member in the church, pastor said, do you have sanitizer? They didn't give the pastor kind of, the alcohol, this thing is not strong now. The guy bring Pepsi. The guy bring one alcohol, this thing for him pocket, come pour for the pastor. Everywhere, would they even hear things where some people they tell us that time. Say, stay at home, my brother. Stay at home now. Who know who landlord rent? Because if they stay at home, because the old landlord rent, you go hear them for that time. But in all these things, you can agree with me now. Say, we don't survive, Abi. Yes, we don't survive. Now we will survive. If they watch for Facebook, say, man, who wait there, you don't need to say, man, because you don't already survive. Yeah, we don't survive. Yeah. And before I leave, I just want to say this. Keep supporting what we're doing. Just do this. Follow. Don't just watch this video. Follow 001 Entertainment. Every Saturday, now see this thing they happen. Every Saturday. Just do it for us. If you know if you do a couple, wait there, advice, look me like small picking, like said, I'm going to talk to you. But this is my height, you don't remind me story. My landlord begged me, man, carry picking, go PTA meeting. I can't go drop the boy for students. Say, man, go join the parents. He said, no, where are you going? Well, you stay in your children's side. At the express, I came here to represent my. They said, no, come shut up there. They look at the laugh, go there. The first day, my wife, me and my wife go to church, say, don't worry, we can't go to Thanksgiving. My wife can't reach church, can't say, we should go buy a. Before my wife comes, they don't carry me go to children's department. She just comes, she come they find me, come they say, come they ask the ushers them, my husband. They say, madam, no, we didn't see your husband. No. You just left your son like that. We took him to the children's department. Number one, they say, no, my son, no, that's not my son, that's my husband. I say, but that's just your husband. Before they go wrong, come meet me, my wife didn't answer. And my wife just come, I just sit down somewhere, they don't share having biscuits and cappuccino. They don't share those small things and they give children the chop. I just did the collect and the chop. Me have a deal boy now because for deal, you know go share something, you know give us. Are you mad? I don't go to them party where they share biscuits. Children they rush. The auntie come they cause the children. You stay one place now. Stay one place. Longer throat. Where you take? I don't want problem. Bring it up. Hey, longer throat. Come on, take this in mind when you be like, which kind of longer throat? You got to collect. So the children will stay quiet. She didn't give that the one where they cause trouble. All the children will stay quiet and then come they volunteer now. Auntie, see me here, longer throat, see me here. And ladies and gentlemen, we're meeting you every Saturday, 12 p.m. Whether you get data, you don't get, just tune in, just find way. Or you tell your neighbor we get data, make it tune in because data now is serious for this country, of course. And just like the page 001 Entertainment, like the page. Not only that page in the show, every other page you see this thing are fake. And when you like the page on Saturday, we'll hit you as a bomb every Saturday. And one last thing I want to promise you, when this coronavirus is over, we'll come back to business, we'll come back and enjoy show. I want to say God bless you. Thank you for enjoying the show this afternoon.